Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to tag someone in comment on Instagram. So it will work on your iOS Android device. If you want to learn, keep watching the video till the end. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram app. From here, suppose you want to tag this person in comment on Instagram, so you have to click on the comment button. Then you have to click on the symbol option. Then you will get the @ option. You have to click the @. Then you have to write that person name you want to tag. So I want to tag this person. Okay, then you can make your comment. So I'm commenting see in details. After that, if you click on the post, then in this way you can tag any person in comment on Instagram. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.